All right, what's going on, boys? Today we're going to be recapping today's trades. We took a trade on AMD and SPY, so let's go over them real quick. So coming into today, my main watch was just AMD. Honestly, I wasn't watching anything else. AMD formed a head and shoulders pattern, and I was looking to short below the neckline, right at demand. I did play a long on Friday, right here at demand. You can see that played out pretty well. But yeah, I saw the head and shoulders pattern forming, and normally with head and shoulders, you want to short below the neckline, right? So we actually gapped below that neckline during the pre-market hours, right here. And then my plan to come into the day was to play the retest of this, right? So we broke below it. I was looking to play the retest of this, and then once we took the retest, obviously demand turns into supply once we gap below it. So I knew that there was going to be some orders here waiting to be filled. And when we came up to this, you can see we rejected here, and once we broke below this is where I entered puts with the stop loss at the high of day, so like a 50-cent stop loss, and I was targeting 80-10, right? So we came down, easy, stress-free trade. Yeah, I mean, it did dump till all the way down to 78.50, but at the end of the day, my job is not to catch tops and bottoms. My job is just to catch a portion of the move, right? And that was like a 23% play. But yeah, that's that one. And then today, the VIX boys at 30, and you know what that means? It means volatility, baby. So yeah, on ES we were down here, tap in demand. As you can see, this was a very active demand zone. Every time we came down, we would instantly bounce. So when I saw that, I had all my eyes on SPY, obviously. And that's another reason I exited the AMD play as well, because I realized that, hey, SPY is a demand. We're probably going to bounce here, especially after seeing these wicks. But yeah, once I saw, let's go back to SPY. But yeah, once I saw those wicks, I knew that we were probably going to get a nice little bounce. So I waited for confirmation above this. And then once we broke above, I took calls. Momentum was there. Lots of orders on the bid as well. Bookmap looked great. Everything was just flying. So yeah, it literally just flew. What is that? $5-6 in 20 minutes, which is a lot for SPY. So I entered here long, and then we broke above this higher low. And I just knew that, hey, the gas is on, bro. We're gonna keep going. The reason I closed this trade was because it pulled back to my stop loss here. If not, I would have stayed in the trade and held. Yeah, so we got stopped out of this one at like 47% profits. But honestly, my plan was to hold all the way to supply. I mean, I guess you could say the trailing stop was too close to the trade, but honestly, I don't mind it. 50%, you don't get those every day. So I'll take 50% all day. Honestly, another stress-free trade. Like literally the second I enter, it just didn't stop. So 2 for 2 on the day, super stress-free, 30 minutes and I was done. And yeah, guys, so this is what you want your trading to look like. You want to have planned trades. For example, the AMD play, I'm very, very proud of this because it played out exactly how I thought it would. Gap below or broke below, then we waited for the retest, run it, retested, instantly started dumping. Just a very stress-free day. I had my alerts set at these levels, and it was just a matter of just executing, right? But yeah, boys, probably going to start live trading by next week so you guys can see what it's like to be in these trades real time. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop a like, comment what you think of these trades. And yeah, it's been Ricksdoingit. I'll see you guys later.